If your PayPal account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Review the restriction notice. Check your email or PayPal account notifications for details about the restriction. Understanding the reason behind the restriction is crucial for your appeal. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Collect all relevant information and documentation that supports your case. This may include transaction records, identification, or any other evidence that can help clarify the situation. Step 3. Log into your PayPal account. Access your PayPal account by logging in with your credentials. Navigate to the Resolution Center, where you can find options related to account restrictions. Step 4. Submit your appeal. In the Resolution Center, locate the option to appeal the restriction. Follow the prompts to submit your appeal, ensuring you include all gathered information and clearly explain your situation. Step 5. Monitor your email and account. After submitting your appeal, keep an eye on your email and PayPal account for updates. PayPal may reach out for additional information or provide a decision regarding your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal an account restriction on PayPal. Good luck!